Welcome to our prefabrication facility. We've got 52,000 square feet under roof here, where we've got 40 people working today on assembly lines, putting finished product out the door to go out to a job site here in the Washington, D.C. metro region. In the shop, everything's on monitor, everything's on laptops and tablets. This is where reality happens. On this side, we have mostly our plumbing side, but also HVAC piping. Everything over here is copper, PVC, or cast iron. On the other side of the shop is our steel line, where we prefabricate assemblies with steel pipe from 2 inches in diameter up to 36 inches in diameter. All the work that's happened in the fab shop will reduce the install time from several months down to just a few weeks. That's the kind of efficiency that prefabrication brings you. Tack that like button, share this with your friends, subscribe, and give us a call and come out and see us.